Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make curly hair without heat step by step. Start with clean, detangled hair that is damp but not dripping. Then apply a light leave-in conditioner and a curl cream from roots to ends. Section hair into even parts and decide on a technique like braids, twists, or flexible rods. Learn how to wrap, secure, and sleep on your style to wake with defined, long-lasting curls. Start with one technique at a time and practice to find your favorite. For braids, divide hair into 3 equal strands and braid tightly from root to tip, securing with a soft band. For twists, wrap 2 sections around each other and pin the ends. For rods, roll small sections with consistent tension. Sleep with a silk scarf or bonnet to protect curls overnight and minimize frizz for a polished result. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful hair tutorials. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling clean after long styling sessions or messy product days. It's a funny but practical pick. I love pairing a tidy car with fresh hair confidence. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When you unwrap or take down your set, be gentle to keep definition and avoid frizz. Finger separate curls to add volume and use a wide tooth comb or pick at the roots only if you want extra lift. Seal ends with a small amount of oil and avoid overloading hair with product. Practice different section sizes to control curl tightness and plan your routine around how much time you have for styling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.